I would really love a coffee right now, but the coffee machine is so far. Or maybe I could. That's enough.